Hi guys, this is Sir Mtshweni once again. Today we'll just do factorizing and solving for x. Then that's to answering that question papers. Then should there be any question which you wish to ask, you know where to find me. You can comment or just call me. Thank you. Let us continue and see what can we do. I'm going to hide myself so that I can do things properly. Right, get straight to the point. 2.2.1, let's start. It's my pen, it's my pen, it's my pen. All right. Right, 2.2.1, this one. They say factorize fully. So what you're going to do, you're looking for the highest common factor first. When you're dealing with factorization, you should be good at finding the highest common factor or understand the concept of finding the highest common factor. Here, we're given 24, 16, and 8. Which one is the highest common factor? What is the highest common factor of this value? Before you even continue, just test using the lowest value that have been given here. This one. Check whether 24 is divisible by 8 and check whether 16 is divisible by 8 before you even find other common factor. Maybe there are other values that are not here. But before you even continue, you check with the given values by looking at the lowest value that have been given. Here we're given 8. 24 is divisible by 8, 16 is divisible by 8, and 8 is divisible by 8. So the common factor here is 8. I will try to use a small handwriting. We're having x squared, having x. We will take out x, not x squared, because x squared is not common here. It's not common here. It's only common here. But we're having x. Here there are two x's. Here there's one. It's one, which means here they can share. So what do? We take out x. 8x is common. Have y, we have y, we have y squared. So we're going to take out 1y. Can't take out y squared, but we'll take out 1y. And from here, close the brackets. Then I'll use this method. I'll write again 24 what? X1 divided by what? 8 what? XY minus 16 x squared y divided by 8 what? XY plus 8 xy squared divided by 8 xy. The value that I'm dividing with, it's this one, 8xy. That is the common factor. From here, we work it out. This one drop because it's the one that is the highest common factor. 8xy. From here, let me use just a different color here so that things can be a bit clear. Let's take this color. 24 divided by 8. It's 3. 24 divided by 8, get 3. X cancel X. Y cancels Y. So the only common factor here is 3. I mean, when you divide, you'll be left with 3, not the common factor. You'll be left with 3. Minus 16 divided by 8. You get what? 2. X squared divided by X. When you divide, X squared is more like X squared divided by X. Your answer here should be X. Because X squared is X times X. It's more like this. Cancel left with X. Just wanted to make you understand. Okay. So X squared divided by X, you'll be left with X. Y will cancel Y. Just cancel that one. Plus 8 divided by 8, we cancel each other. X cancel each other here. Y squared divided by Y, left with Y. Yeah, this is how you solve it. Then I believe by so doing, you get your full 2 marks. This step will help you to get the correct answer. This is how you solve. Let's continue. Now here, this is factorizing by grouping. The reason I'm using question paper because they won't say factorize by grouping, factorize by taking a common factor, factorize by different of two squares. They'll just say factorize full. So you need to understand. This topic is under the topic of factorizing by grouping. X minus 3, x minus 3, whereby we group according to brackets. This one are the same. So we'll take x minus 3, take one bracket here, then we take x minus 4. From here, x squared is possible. X squared minus 4. Now we have to factorize this one because it's x squared minus 4. Looking at this, we'll notice that these are different of two squares. You'll notice that this is under the topic of different of two squares. Only the one x squared minus 4. So you continue, say x minus 3. I'm pushing here. Okay. From there, say put a brackets like this to be x here, x here. You share the x's. Then you square the 4. When you put a square root of 4, you'll get a 2. Get a 2. Since it's minus, it will be plus here and the minus here. We are done. That topic alone. We are done. Then you get a full marks. It's 3 marks. I assume that this will be 1, then this will be 2. For more information, you know where to find me. I assume this video is too long, so I don't want it to be too long. I'll do the other topic for solve for x. I mean the video for solve for x, not so long from now. I'll stop here regarding factorizing only. Thank you. Let's meet on the next video.